counties, Bedford and Blair. Wind advisory in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to noon Friday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. The highest gusts will be on the ridge tops. Ware, Cambria, Blair, Somerset and Bedford counties. Wind from 10 p.m. this evening to noon Friday. Impact. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. For high wind safety information, visit weather.gov/wind. The latest forecast information can be found on the National Weather Service State College Facebook page and Twitter at NWS State College, or on the weather.gov/CTP.